My clients have had hair that they thought wasn't gonna make it on time. Mayvenn shipped it immediately where it got here overnight. It's really convenient. Tamara Johnson, and I've been doing hair 9 years. I'm a single mom, so I needed something that would work with my scheduling, where I could take them with me, where I could kind of like be my own boss. I've been playing in hair since I was a little girl. I probably started like styling my friends' hair when I was about 15, 16. And when I turned 21, I just kind of decided I should make some money. Before it started, I was maybe doing 2 or 3 sew-ins a month. And now I do a lot. I'll say that. I like that they guarantee their hair. Clients that have issues with the curl, it's really easy to get in contact with someone. Normally, if you have any kind of issue they contact you right away. Everybody is on board and they like their hair. It's good quality.